Hello friends, and I am excited to be doing this little weekend spring vlog. It's the first day of spring, so happy first day of spring. We finally made it through winter and all that, so I'm very excited. But I'm actually just getting ready to go thrifting. We're gonna see if I can find anything today. It's Saturday morning, so maybe not, but I'm ready to mask up, and we're gonna have a special date night tonight. It's gonna be really fun, something that we've already done before, but I'll share more about that. And I think I'm gonna clean my car today and just kind of bask in all this springness. So let's go into the thrift store and see if we can find anything. Okay, well I just got out. And again, this is the second time I've been to this location, probably in like the last couple of weeks, and they didn't have anything. I know it's Saturday and it's really nice outside, so I'm sure that there's been stuff that's already been picked over. But I think I'm gonna try a different location. I'm gonna try some other spots in town next time, just because I haven't had much luck with this one lately. So I'm gonna do some research and find some different places to go, and I'll take you along on that vlog sometime next week. But I'm gonna go home and get Z and enjoy some of this weather, and then I'm going to clean out my car, which I am so excited to do that, and show you what I've done on the porch. So there's several things that I'm going to show you. Okay, so I'm back home, and yes, the birds are chirping. The sun is right in my face, but I'm going to show you a little bit of how I've decorated the deck out here, which you hear lots of people working on their yards because it's a beautiful Saturday. But I know that I was talking in the last vlog about how I kind of wanted to redo a few things, and I'm just going to show you a few updates that you can add to your own home that cut out on a lot of costs, and just some things that you can kind of do to spruce up and make it springy. I try to do this really quick because they are working over in their yard and it's very loud. Just a few little things I added is some fake plants. I think those were really easy to do, and you don't have to switch them out. Of course, I'm probably going to try to get some real plants soon. I am obsessed with this little can from Target. I think it's so cute and fun. I love these little planters. I still need to find something, which we had some bad weather here a few days ago, so they're filled with water right now. But I love the way that they look, and of course these are fake as well too, so I won't have to switch those out as often. This is old. I've had this for a couple of years. I love this beige little rug that's weather resistant and perfect for outdoors. This chair I've had for years. I've just switched out the cushions. Some fake flowers. Again, I am going to be adding some real flowers soon along with my fake tree. I love this that I got from Target, a little wind chime. It's pink, it's perfect. As you saw in a few of the vlogs ago, I did purchase this at Target. I have some of this that I used actually for my Bridgerton little photo that I did for Valentine's Day, so I just stuck it out here along with some cacti. And I love these little lanterns that I got at Target. They have a bunch of different colors. I went with pink because of course I did, and I think that just adds a little bit of color and just makes the deck look ready for spring and very colorful. And these are changes that can kind of last throughout the summer. I'm probably gonna add some real plants. I also love this. This is fake as well, and I got it at Target, but I just kind of love the look that it gives. And yes, I will be getting some real plants, but for the time being, while the weather's still a little iffy, because it may get cold again just because it is only March, I am going to be keeping the fake plants. And yeah, I really like how it looks. And another thing that I'm going to show you right now is something I know a lot of you have puppies and dogs. I know that that's a lot of comments that I get, and I'm going to show you, and I know everyone probably knows this, but I'm going to show you Z's favorite snack and what you can do. This is going to keep your puppy preoccupied, and I love it. And this is what we usually give her when we're having dinner, or if I need to leave for a little bit and she needs something to preoccupy her time. So I'm going to show you what I do. So first up, we have these little treats, these little bones, and just little milk bones. But the big thing is the Kong, which I am obsessed with these Kongs. They are so durable, and the dog seems to really like it. So I'm gonna put 2 in the bottom, and yeah, no, we're gonna put 3 in the bottom. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. This is the Kong Easy Treat. We're just gonna put a little bit, as I can get it open inside there. Okay, so that's what it's gonna look like on the inside. Then we're gonna add a few more treats. You can put like 2 right there. Add a little bit more of this little Kong stuff. And then we're gonna add the last 3 at the top. Just kind of squish them down in there. And we've got them packed in. And I'm going to show you to whoop, put it right in there, just a little dollop. As you can see right there. Just a little bit more to seal it in. So that's gonna seal it in there. And then you're gonna put this in the freezer for a couple hours. And it's gonna make it so much fun for your dog to lick and chew and get to this. And it's such a time saver for you because it really does keep them preoccupied. So I have one of these that I'm going to prepare for later tonight when we're eating, so that we're gonna try the new Taco Bell that is opening up right down the street from us. I know, so exciting. So I'm gonna have this ready for her. And yeah, I just wanted to show you that that's a really quick and easy activity for your pup. And you can find this stuff at, I found this all at Target, but I'm sure that they have it at Walmart or in grocery stores or Amazon. So yeah, get this ready for your pup. John, look how handsome in that hat. We're going to lunch, and then you're gonna watch what?
Alabama basketball, 5-minute tournament is a good seed.
And I'm going to attempt to clean my car. Are you excited to see how my car is gonna look?
Yes.
Yeah. So excited about it. But right now we're gonna go to lunch, and we're going to
Cookout.
We've never been, well, I've never been before. You've been before.
I've been to the one in Tuscaloosa before.
But not this location. So we're excited to try it and see what they have in store for us.
Woo!
So we were gonna go to Cookout, but the menu's way too confusing. And I didn't understand it. And John thought it would be too difficult to order. So instead we're going to his old favorite, his old hangout.
It's not my old hangout.
Yes, it is. Taco Casa. He said he has so many memories here.
I don't.
We'll see. I've never been before, so you're gonna have to show me the ropes.
Oh well.
That was an extreme experience too. You said I had to hurry and order when there's like 15 things up there.
But I just don't want to sit there and stare at the
Well, I didn't know what was going on.
She's wondering,
so
like, are you still there?
I ordered the chicken tacos and some nachos, but then you changed it to queso nachos.
I didn't know they were regular nachos.
Well, it said nachos with cheese and queso nachos. I just wanted.
It's just chips and cheese. Queso nachos is just like a cup of cheese with chips.
I wanted the yellow cheese.
I don't know what's going on.
But we're gonna get on Taco Casa. Is it Casa?
Casa.
Cup.
You know what casa means?
No, what?
House. Taco house.
Okay, go ahead and say what you've been wanting to say.
This was started in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Roll Tide.
Alright, let's re-edit it out. And the bag says, "Where good times are in the bag." Do you see how that's funny and cute? What a story. And this is the unveiling of the Taco Casa. It's very exciting. It does look a little bit nicer quality than Taco Bell, but it's not as colorful or as fun as Taco Bell.
It's good though.
But it's your staple.
Yes.
So we're gonna enjoy. John's gonna watch the game. I'm gonna get ready to clean out my car, and then it's
Date night.
night. And what we're doing?
Going to the movies.
Yeah. And what type of movie?
I don't know what we're saying.
Okay. It's gonna be a surprise.
Yay.
But enjoy your taco.
Woo.
So I'm getting ready to wash my car. On the inside, it is really gross. My car is super old. I'm talking, I've had it for literally years, probably, oh man, probably like 12, 13 years, maybe even longer. So I'm gonna clean the inside. It hasn't been cleaned on the inside in a hot second. So I'm gonna kind of show you a little bit before, and then I'll show you the after. And something cool that I'm gonna do to help with a mask situation. So let's go clean. I also love how I just, this is where I change all the time when I'm taking my photos for my blog and my Instagram. And yes, of course, always an Amazon package in the background too. So I need to clean all of this out, and I just have a bunch of random things in the car, and it's dirty. And we need to clean. So let's get to it. As you can see, between photo props and clothing, a dog bed, it is kind of messy in here. I mean, it's not as horrible as I thought it was going to be, but definitely going to vacuum, get a little Windex on it, and you can see where there's like puppy marks from over here from where Z sits and puts your snout up there. So I'm just going to go through and try to clean it and make it look like new. We'll see if we can make that happen. We don't have a ton of time, but let's see. Okay, and I'm actually pretty impressed with the way that the car looks. It definitely is not as clean as it probably should be, but for the time being and for the supplies, which I have was just Windex and paper towels, I think it looks pretty good. So I got everything cleared out. I'm gonna add a few umbrellas back into the car. As you can see, my sole product was Windex and it worked amazing. And yeah, so I'm going to put a few things back in the car, and then everything else is either going to go in the trash or to my closet. But I'm going to show you something fun that I'm going to try to do that will make me getting my mask out a little bit easier. So stay tuned for that. And honestly, this had so much stuff on it, like, I don't know, sand and dirt and everything, and I just feel so much more relieved that it's clean. And as you can see, Z's little car seat is back. And what I'm about to show you is, I saw this on TikTok, so we're gonna see if I'm able to do it, but I'm going to show you a fun way that you can have your disposable mask ready and make it look a little bit cuter. I wish I had my black mask, but they aren't here yet, so we're gonna go with the plain old blue. But let's see if this little hack will work for me. I'm in my car, and this is my little mask disposable thing I got off Amazon. You can Google that, and basically what it is something that actually keeps tissues and stuff in it, but I have opened it up and just put my mask in there. Like I said, I saw this on TikTok, so of course we know it's gonna work, right? So we shall see, but it's easy. It just I think you just slip it up underneath it, and that way when you're ready you can just have your mask ready to go. So let's see if we can get this to go on correctly, and let's see if we can get it to fit. And yeah, it actually did work. But okay, there you go, that's a little bit better view. And as you can see, when you're ready, you just take one out, which we can just do a little take it out. So we have our mask ready to go. I always keep my fun mask kind of over in this little area right here. Oh no, that's my hand sanitizer, but this has all my like fun mask in it. But when I just want the normal ones, if I'm in a hurry or maybe I'm going through the drive-thru or something like that, need one really quick, then this is definitely the way to go. Again, I wish I had my black mask, but they're not here yet. They're still shipping from Amazon. So we went with basic blue, but yeah, I definitely kind of like this. And this is just the final view of my car. I got it pretty clean. I'm glad, oh, there's paper towels. I gotta get those out. But I think it looks really good. And it feels really good to have a clean car and just to have all that other junk out of it. And I love my new little mask dispenser up there. It's so blingy and so cute. But yes, so happy to have this done. And now I'm about to go shower and get ready for our date night. And John, I think we clean up pretty well. Right?
You do especially.
You're so cute. Well, we're getting ready to go to the movie, and when we get there, we're going to explain a little bit more about the private movie theater rental, because some people asked about that when we went to go see The Notebook. So I'll explain a little bit more, and we'll kind of go through it. But we are ready. It's the first day of spring, as I have mentioned. My car is clean, but we're going to take your car.
Whoa.
Yeah. And we're going to go have a good time. I forgot the name of the movie that we're seeing, but we'll figure it out when we get there. Also, Taco Casa was here. The chips were really good. John said it was good, but we'll leave it to Taco Bell later. Okay, so we're going to see Long Weekend. That's the movie. And we are doing the private theater, and the prices range from $59 to $250. I'm not sure exactly how the pricing works. I know the newer movies are more expensive, except for this one, which is a new movie, and it was not as expensive. So I'm not.
Nobody wants to see it.
No, they do want to see it. So we're about to go in, but you have the whole entire theater to yourself, and it's amazing. It's incredible, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Very much so.
Very safe, and we are going to go in and get our snacks and get ready for the movie. Say hey, John. The only ones in the theater. Yay! John, we just finished the movie. And John said it was a movie. I thought it was really cute. I was pleasantly surprised. It was cute. John just said it was
okay, I guess.
It was okay, but it was cute. But as you can see, we have the whole theater to ourselves, so money well spent. John's looking at the IMDb page on it right now. And we have the best video quality right now. But we have little Z here, and we are going now to the new Taco Bell by our house. So we've already had Taco Casa, so we're gonna like rate them on the scale to see which one is the best.
Casa.
Taco Bell. First thing I'm noticing, it's very colorful. So, right off the bat, that's a win. John, this is so exciting. The new Taco Bell right down the street from our house.
Whoa.
I know. And our favorite thing I think that we've kind of got into, oh, I like how it says "Marry Me" right here. That would be a really cute proposal idea for someone. So
Using Taco Bell to propose?
yeah, that'd be very sweet, I think.
I
think that the cheesy potatoes are like our new favorite thing.
Yes.
And I even saw John now got a pink drink as well. I feel like you're just becoming a vlogger all on your own.
Oh, gee.
We have our favorite thing that is back on the menu is the cheesy potatoes.
Potatoes.
They're very good. John, you can hold your pink drink, and I'll hold my green drink. And cheers. You love the Leonardo DiCaprio meme. But we had a really fun date night, and I love how there is a jack-o'-lantern pail over there, which I use for my t-shirts that I do, but that's okay. We had a really fun date night, and I'm glad that you got to come along with us. And today's just been a lot of fun, and thank you so much for coming along this day in life, the first day of spring edition.
Yay!
Yeah, so keep watching, and there'll be more videos soon.